Hi there, students. Lampoon. To lampoon. A lampoon. To lampoon means to make critical jokes about somebody, about something, about society or a specific group, using irony or sarcasm or ridicule to criticize this person or thing publicly. So, for example, most newspapers have a cartoonist who lampoons public figures. They lampoon politicians. So, to lampoon, to mock, to satirize, to make fun of, to poke fun at, to parody, to send up. So you could lampoon me by making jokes about my hairdresser. Or maybe for me, it's not a case of a bad hair day, it's when I have a good hair day. There used to be an American magazine called National Lampoon, and it used to be full of jokes and humour, normally criticising our society. Now, my next question, is a lampoon only written, something written? And I don't think so. Maybe in the past, but today a speech, a cartoon, a video, a sketch, a song could lampoon something or somebody. Don't get COVID-19 because COVID-20 will be out soon and you wouldn't want the old model. We're a consumer society. We always want the latest. So to lampoon somebody, to criticize them by making jokes about them. Another lampoon, for example, there's a guy and he's dressed in cycle gear and he has the helmet and the bright shirt and all of the bits and pieces. And his girlfriend turns to him and says, "I really think you ought to get a bicycle at least." And this is lampooning cyclists, perhaps. Is cycling a hobby or a fashion statement? Okay, so to lampoon, to make satirical jokes about. Now, next question, formality. I think I would probably give to lampoon 6.5 in formality. It sounds pretty posh. I don't think I would use to lampoon in an informal conversation, to make jokes about, to tease, to poke fun at. Okay. Notice as well, to lampoon is a regular verb. He lampooned me. He has lampooned me on many occasions. Notice as well, there's no preposition with lampoon. Now, the next question, where does it come from? Well, this word lampoon comes from French. I think there used to be a verb, laper, to lap. Like a cat or a dog laps a bowl of milk. And there's a French verb, lamper, meaning to drink, to swig, to quaff. And then we have Lampoon, let us drink, so we should drink. So maybe while people are drinking, they're making jokes about different things, criticizing them publicly. Okay, so to lampoon, to make critical jokes about something, somebody, society, a group, whatever. Okay? So, if you want to lampoon me, please go ahead in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To lampoon. A lampoon.